Ever pondered over the question, what does your dream life look like? It's a thought that has crossed nearly everyone's mind at some point, but how many of us have a clear answer? Or better yet, a plan to make it a reality? Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of a precipice, staring at the vast expanse of possibilities that your life could contain. It's time to take that leap of faith. That is the first and most crucial step towards transforming your life. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Next, immerse yourself in Own Your Life's transformative methods. These proven strategies are designed to help you cultivate a life of abundance and fulfillment. They are not just theories penned down on paper, but a practical guide, a path littered with stepping stones that lead towards your dream life. Now, it's time to upshift. Reach for those high gears and chase excellence. Because, dear listener, excellence is not a destination. It's a continuous journey that requires you to push beyond your limits and embrace the path of constant improvement. But don't hold on to your success like a miser. No, spread the word and share the growth. The joy of success is magnified when shared. By helping others, you amplify your own achievements and create a community of like-minded individuals striving for greatness. Together, construct a life that resonates with success on every level, not just dreaming it, but living it, owning it, and mastering it. Your dream life is waiting, and the journey towards it is a path laden with discovery and fulfillment. Are you ready to take action? If so, visit ionmylife.net/amateur87. Turn those dreams into your daily reality. Your dream life awaits. Don't just stand on the precipice, take the leap.